morning, good afternoon, and good evening to everyone around the world. And it's our last day in Casablanca, Morocco. Look at how Marvis got us rolling to the airport, y'all.
Oh, Marvis, driving again. Thank you, friend.
It's so spacious.
Josh Jones, you got 24 hours to respond.
Boom! Ooh! Look at this. Oh my gosh, we have a whole coach bus to ourselves. Ooh, this is living. Hanette. Rolling with 𝗦𝗂𝗽𝗃𝗃. Woo! This is the lifestyle you get. Ain't that right, 𝗦𝗂𝗽𝗃?
Sometimes.
2,000 years later.
Yeah, we just landed in Ghana, and this, I swear, this is the most diplomatic way of getting off a plane I've ever seen in a long time. Like, with the exception of like 2 people, everybody really waited their turn to get up, get off. Like, that was just so nice. It's a difference when you flying with It's a difference when you flying with, you know. But anyway, I just wanted to make note of that. We're in Ghana.
I did this before you.
Y'all, we in there like swim well. Mama got her visa. Mama, hold it up. Hold up that passport of freedom. Hey. Ooh. We ain't in the clear just yet. I almost didn't make it.
She had no pages in her passport.
He said, Nelson, you have no pages.
This is your first time?
Yes.
Oh, well, welcome.
Thank you.
We are hoping to see you.
Victoria,
Again.
where your sign? Oh. Thank you. All right, child, we made it to our home for tonight because our Airbnb was not ready. So let me show you. It's a 3-bedroom condo. So the first bathroom. Hey. Okay, the bedroom. Got some closet space. It's very nice. Has a little balcony over there. I like that they have a bathtub. Cause y'all know I prefers a bath over a shower. That's the guy that came and helped us, alhamdulillah. Here is another bedroom. Here is my bedroom. I love the picture. What's this for the Wi-Fi?
I love it. Oh, and it's got strength too. It's small.
Everybody's saying for the Wi-Fi. Can you tell me again how to say thank you one more time? 𝗦𝗃𝗽𝗃𝗃. 𝗦𝗃𝗃𝗃. Okay. Yeah, chi. Yeah. Right.
Yeah, waiting for the government to come and do.
Oh, okay. He said they had these nice apartments, but the roads are messed up, and they said they're waiting for the government to do the roads. Club 69 because we have a cooking class, so I'm excited. Let's see if this is where we're supposed to be first of all. Hold on. In true Victoria form, mama, she got us at the wrong place again. We was in somebody else's whole neighborhood. No. Here go Auntie K right here. All right.
What are we preparing? We're preparing jollof rice and 𝗙𝗘𝗦𝗀𝗀𝗃𝗦.
𝗙𝗘𝗦𝗃𝗦.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's spicy plantain, fried plantain. And then we have panquin tilapia.
Okay. Like the fish tilapia? Okay.
Fish tilapia. And then for the vegetarian, I have to get her something. So yam, gold yam and cassava sauce.
Okay.
Sounds good to me.
We are the hands dirty.
Okay, then let me get you
Yeah, she says, oh. No, we came to cook too.
Got me a little apron. See, that's also the difference when you mess with your people. Wash your hands before we cook. See, wash your hands. Okay.
Hold like that. Robbie, I'm sorry. That's your goal. You supposed to be fanning. Not stop. You know, people keep talking about whether to wash chicken
or not. Yeah, in Europe.
To wash or. So where do you live? Where are you?
In Italy.
In Italy.
Yeah.
And you guys don't wash. They don't wash the chicken.
We cook it.
And then another sauce. Okay, I'll use this one.
In any case.
Then it's gonna purify it.
But still.
Auntie K said you wash the chicken.
Yes.
Until end of January.
Okay. What part of Italy?
Rome.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it's like very hospital.
Beautiful.
How long have you been there?
10 years.
Oh, wow.
Yes, but I'm not from there.
Originally from.
French Caribbean.
Okay.
Wow. So that kind of not going to be spicy. Yes.
Not too much.
Not too much. Please.
What you need?
Get shit like
Where the people at? From the cold.
you just see them.
This is the secret.
Yes, it's secret. That's Auntie K's. That's Auntie K's secret. Ha. Amy, we want to do this. like, we sat here waiting on.
I'm tired of y'all telling me. I'm about to
We gonna do something too.
This is from Jerome Robinson. Okay.
Well, I'm peeling it. I'm gonna come help you peel.
Okay.
That's it now. My dear. Yeah. And then.
Okay.
How did you choose that name? The city is falling. You should have taken
It's
some.
no, it's written with an S. It's a Congolese name actually.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Yeah, I can shop.
Oh, I
Just continue here.
So I didn't count on
Yes.
I didn't even count on anything.
I don't know, but let's go to cut it off.
That's amazing.
No,
That is amazing. You got it.
Robbie, only take photos in my phone. No videos, because my video, her videos are better on LaQuisha's phone. I told you, only take photos.
this one
Did you get us to put it on?
Nope.
You want more ginger in here too?
Who, me?
You're not doing it.
I'm not. Dang. Put a little more work into it, huh? You the one who told me to hold the ball.
Your ball was moving.
It's supposed to, look. You know what?
Oh Lord, I really can't get the garlic. Hold on, I gotta stand up.
Mash and turn.
Okay, you want me to try?
Yeah. You got me struggling. Here we go. Come on. Put the work into it. Put the work into it.
We're going to start with our jollof rice.
Okay.
I'm using a 6
I got this skirt on.
Mom, can I try?
That's what we want you to do. We want you to get in there.
easily gets burned.
Okay. Mash and turn. No. Mash and turn. Mash and turn. Mash and turn. Oh, it smells so good.
It do smell good.
Oh, it smells so good.
Mama getting the recipe down.
We start with
All right, here we go, friend. Be careful.
Onions in the oil.
Mm-hmm.
Onions in the oil.
We got Mama up here cutting those them greens. Got the makings of the jollof rice.
You gotta put 3 slits on the side of the fish so everything goes through. And then put it inside the slits inside the
I found it. This part ain't gonna take long.
Now don't drop.
Mama, you wasn't supposed to see that, Mama.
They go up by themselves.
Just in the pot. Yeah, center pot.
Tammy, the official bowl holder, you might have to go over there and give LaQuisha a second hand holding that bowl. She said the chicken heavy.
Tammy? See, that's why I got you in the bottom. Okay.
Y'all see what I'm talking about? Y'all see what I'm talking about?
Show people. Look at this.
I mean, yeah, it's
But
still
rice is still dirty though.
if you don't wash it, I think what do you call it again? The spinach?
Calabasas.
Calabasas with the C. Calabasas.
Auntie K. Can you explain the difference between a plantain and a banana? Like, what's the difference between like a regular banana that we eat and then a plantain?
Banana, the size, you can tell. The
Okay.
size, our banana here, the size is very small. It's not like this.
Okay.
I remember my husband told. My husband is in the US.
Okay.
He told me when we first got to the US, he bought banana. He thought it was plantain. So he went cooking it, not knowing it was banana, and everything got mashed.
Are these not as sweet? These
This
are
is
not as
sweet.
Oh, these are sweet. Okay.
Yes, sweet.
Can I taste one?
Oh, you can. Why not?
But they're
But
thicker. The
it's
skin is
nicer when
thicker
it's
too.
done.
Oh, they're all sweet.
So it does taste like a banana.
Get a plantain.
You never had a plantain?
Can I try?
Yeah, do one.
Plantain chips. Yeah.
I've had it as a chip, but I didn't really
In place
But in Jamaica, they taste more. They don't taste
taste
as
sweet.
So that's
Thank
why.
you.
different types though.
Oh,
And then as it sweetens as it ripens.
Don't you like that?
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
What do you call it?
And mix it up. Okay. I'm doing what I think I'm
They're
doing.
gonna fry it.
So this is
Okay.
It's made from corn.
Okay.
Corn and cassava mixed together.
Okay.
Corn and cassava.
Like a meal.
This is
so
the corn. It goes on what?
No, I'm asking, does it go on the plantain or no?
No, it's different.
Oh,
The-
separate.
Yes, the banku goes with the tilapia. Until it browns.
Okay.
You wanna go around? It's time to
We're serious.
Serious. Y'all come and eat, right?
It's
Y'all Kim?
Thank
Yellow.
Yes.
Friend, they do not know what yellow is.
Got it.
Lord, we thank you for this food that has been prepared. We ask that you would bless all of the hands that have prepared it.
Cooking soul,
fitted for a dress because I am full, but that is the next activity. We're at the shop to get fitted for some clothes. Those are beautiful. That's cute. I want that.
So you that's the end of the vlog. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to the Black Girl Abroad. Bye!